Get ready to go out on a cultural adventure of your lifetime with Trippo. This South Asian country, known for its vibrant colors and different cultures, the place that gifted yoga to the world. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal or Vanakam. This is Amit Nayak, Trippo Travel Ambassador. Today I'm going to take you to one of the most beautiful places and the most promising touristy attractions of India, known as the Golden Triangle, which consists of New Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. Our representative will pick you up from the airport and transfer you to your respective hotel. If time allows, we will enjoy the city tour by covering India Gate, Akshardham Temple, or drive towards the President's House, crossing Parliament Street, Government Secretarial buildings, and a lot more. Well, India Gate is a war memorial arch, while Akshardham Temple is a modern Hindu temple, and its architecture is not only fascinating but it is a treat to watch. So this would be the activities we'll be doing on day 1, and once the day ends, we'll have an overnight stay in Delhi hotel. Right after your breakfast, we'll start our way towards Agra, which is almost 195 km and will take around 5 hours to reach. On arrival at Agra, we'll check in at the hotel. Once your refreshment is done, we'll proceed towards the sightseeing of Agra Fort. This fort, built by the successive contribution of 3 Mughal generations, Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. This place still fascinates the entire world with its majestic glory. More like a city inside, the fort was built to fulfill the military purposes, which spread on the banks of Yamuna, enclosed a humongous area of 3 km radius. The Agra Fort gains actual elegance, lavishness and royalty of a palace at the time of Emperor Shah Jahan. The fort also serves as a vantage point to view the Taj Mahal from a distance, and it is believed that the Emperor Shah Jahan spent his days in exile while watching the Taj from this very fort. If time allows, we'll visit colorful bazaar night and return back to the hotel, overnight stay at Agra Hotel. The first thing we'll do on day 3 is visit Taj Mahal, a poem written in white marble, the most extravagant monument ever built for love. Taj Mahal, one of the 8 wonders of the world, is often described as the epitome of love and a monument of immeasurable beauty. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to enshrine the remains of beloved wife Begum Mumtaz Mahal, which manifested the immortal love between the two. You can stay on to view this monument, changing its mood with the soft light of the setting sun. Once we are done with Taj Mahal, we have to start our way towards Jaipur via Fatehpur Sikri. We'll cross via Fatehpur Sikri, which is also a place to watch. So once you reach at Jaipur Hotel, the day 3 ends at staying in Jaipur Hotel. Right after your breakfast, we'll start our trip towards Amber Fort and enjoy elephant ride. Visit the world famous astrological observatory, city palace, museums of precious and semi-precious stones, typically Rajasthan handicrafts, and free time for shopping. The entire day we will be traveling across Jaipur. Head back to our hotel, have our dinner and overnight stay at the hotel. Right after your breakfast, here ends the entire trip. We'll start our way towards Delhi once again, which is almost 265 kilometers, which will take around 6 hours. Will drop you at your respective location or help you catch your flight for your next destination. Well, that's the end of the trip, and I'm sure you're going to have an amazing time traveling with Trippo. Back soon.